Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn the difference between Edpuzzle Classroom and a Edpuzzle folder. For this, let us just directly go to Edpuzzle. This is my edpuzzle.com homepage. Now, on this top left, I will go to my content. So here, I will find all my folders available here. So, a folder is a place where you can actually save all your videos on Edpuzzle and you can edit them from here itself. And also you can assign it to your students from here. In short, folder is a place where you can save all your video contents here on Edpuzzle. Now let us go to the classroom option, which is on this top right, the hat option. So this is my classroom. So classroom is a place where actually you will be able to add your students and also you can track the progress of your students. So once the videos have been assigned to your students, you can come to your classroom and you can actually check the progress of your students. Like we can see progress of Ram Kumar here. So folder is a place where you can save all your work and edit your videos as well. But classroom is a place where you can see the progress of your students and you can add or delete your students. Thank you for watching this video. Hope now you understand the difference between a classroom and a classroom folder on Edpuzzle. Thank you.